In this video, I'll be showing you how to always keep files from OneDrive on your device. As you may know, if you're using OneDrive for business, sometimes your company may actually configure a policy that sync all your OneDrive to the cloud. Then if you want to use that file will now remain on your device. But let's say you have a specific folder you always use all the time and you want all the files on that folder to always remain on your device. Because if your files, for example, are synced to the cloud, let's say we have this folder here, you can see this cloud icon signifies that this file is being synced to the cloud. And when you don't have access to the internet, you will not be able to open any file in this folder. But if you want to be able to open the files that are being synced to the cloud on your device, even if you don't have access to the internet, the best way to do it is the following. You can see we can actually right click on this folder and we have the option which says always keep on this device. By clicking always keep on this device, the file will now download all the files that have been synced to the cloud to your device, which makes any folder that is now added to this folder. For example, if I create a new file, that file will now remain in this folder despite that the file is also being synced to the cloud. Because what happens is the following. I actually say that this folder, which is called fashion, should always be kept on this device. So the file will remain in the cloud and also on your device. But I can decide at any given time to free up space on this device, which will also move the file to the cloud and only leave a link of that file to my on my device. So if you want to download or watch, double click that file to open it, you will need to have access to the internet. Thank you very much. And this is how you actually keep files on your device that are being synced to the cloud from your OneDrive for business. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to like this video. And if this video has been of any help to you, please leave a comment and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to please help me grow my channel. Bye.